friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Umama and she is Hamana. And today I'm gonna show you how to make a flower. Then let's make. First we have to make the circle. Then the lower, then the upside U, then the leaf and the flower stick. And this is flower stick. Then we're gonna make the leaf. A curve like that and a curve back like that. Then a line. And a line over here, 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 like that. Then we're gonna color. Now we're gonna color Hamna. Good job. Now I'm gonna choose pink. You can choose purple Hamna for the upside U. We make lots of upside U's. Now it's time for color. I'm gonna do the red on the lower. Good job, Hannah. I've done the red. Now I'm gonna choose the yellow for the circle. You can even do it, Hamna. I like the way Hamna you do the upside U's a different color of purple. And I do a pink. Now we're done. Hamna, you're done. Good job. Now we gonna color the light green on the leaf. The dark green on the stick. Good job, Hamna! And Hamna even do the dark green on the curve what we did. Good. We are done! It smells so good! If you like this video, share and subscribe!